Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code by Rud. So in this video we are going to learn full HTML course, which is the base if you want to become a web developer or designer. Then it is very important for you to learn web design. HTML is the complete structure of any website. In this video we will learn basic information about HTML. So let's start the video. HTML full form Hypertext Markup Language. Now the question arises that what is the use of HTML? Using HTML, we can create website and web pages. Now, what are web pages? First of all, our normal bouquet has pages like that. Pages that you might have seen on a website. The website has some pages like about us page, gallery page, and contact page. Web pages are called that because someone is viewing them on a website. What else can you use it for? Why you can learn HTML? It is a very growing career. So you can choose a good career as a web designer and a web developer. You can help yourself and other. You can create a website and earn. Now there is a revelation. Mobile development is a very growing career. You can do mobile application development. You can create mobile application using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Like the two framework I have written about here, PhoneGap and Ionic. Ionic is a framework in which you can design an entire mobile website using HTML and CSS, which we will also learn in our upcoming series. So, in this series, we will teach you complete HTML for free and will also create many websites. So, now the question arises that how to start it. So, before starting, let's talk about which version of HTML we are going to do. We are going to create version 5 of HTML. HTML5 is the latest version. So far in this we will also talk about HTML4 and now what new things have come in HTML5 and which old things have been removed, because it is very important to know this, because somewhere you are talking about old things and it is very important to know all this. So before this we have to know how we will work in it and what are the software requirements. Let's see. So for software requirement we have two software, first HTML editor and second browser. HTML editor in which we will code our HTML, and browser, as you might have heard that when you open a website we do so through the browser in which our output will appear. So here we see which HTML editor we have. The most basic editor we have in Windows in Notepad. Notepad comes with Windows itself. We can use it as a HTML editor in which we can do all our code, and it is free now. There is also one above this, which is Notepad++. The difference between this and simple Notepad is that the coding in this is a little colorful, and other than that there is no difference. Apart from this, Microsoft has released its one free editor whose name is VS Code, Visual Studio Code. This is a free editor and it has many features. You can also use it. Sublime is a very famous editor. You can use it also. You can do this in Mac also. If you are a Mac user, if you are a Windows user, then you can also do this. So now it comes to which browser we are going to use. The most popular browser till date is Google Chrome's. Its specialty is that it open fast websites. Understand? Apart from this, Mozilla company Firefox can also do this. Apart from this, you can also use it explore the internet. It is also a good editor. And next browser, Internet Explorer. So Internet Explorer is a good browser so that you can also use it. So that's for user in browser. And next in Safari. So if you are a Mac user, then you must be aware then when we use the default browser in Mac it is Safari. We can do in this Windows also, but it is mostly used in MacBook only. And next browser in Opera. So Opera is also a very famous editor that's for used in Windows, Mac, and people mostly use it in mobile. So the motive behind making this video till now was that we could tell you what HTML is and what we are going to do and where it is called. So keep watching our video series so that you can learn the latest version of HTML5 completely. So subscribe to our channel to watch a similar video. Thank you so much watching this video.